Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the IT band, the lateral line from hip to outer knee. Use a soft or flat head to avoid sharp pressure. Once located, set the gun to a low speed, about 20 to 30%, and keep the device moving slowly along the band for the first 60 to 90 seconds. Make sure you're standing or side-leaning with a slight knee bend for comfort. This reduces tension and prevents the gun from agitating deeper structures. You continue by using progressive strokes along and across the band. Glide 2 to 3 inches above and below any sore spot, keeping each pass to about 10 to 15 seconds. Longer causes irritation. Once tolerated, increase to a moderate speed, but never target bone or the lateral femoral epicondyle. Use a mix of perpendicular short taps and long longitudinal glides to change tissue input. Make sure to ask yourself how tender it feels on a 0 to 10 scale. Stop if pain sharply rises. Finish the session with light sweeping glides down the IT band for 1 to 2 minutes. Then perform gentle hip flexor and quadricep stretches to normalize length tension. If you experience sharp pain, tingling, or numbness, stop immediately. Reduce intensity or quit the area and consult a clinician. Make sure to log speed, duration, and how your leg responds to refine future sessions. If recovery lags, scale back frequency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.